Welcome back. There's been a tragic development in Gurugram. A 5-year-old boy drowned after being unnoticed in the pool for approximately 10 minutes. Other children who were swimming in the pool informed people about the child's body floating. The pool's lifeguard was allegedly absent from the scene at the time of the accident. Cops have now arrested 2 lifeguards from the society's club, accusing them of negligence, which led to the tragic drowning of the young boy in the pool's 4-foot-deep water. The police have taken the child's body now into custody and have sent it for post-mortem. The victim's family has blamed the society for lapses.
सॉरी, मैं न्यूज़ देख रहा था, वो अपना प्रोग्राम देखने लग गया और उसके बाद मैं नीचे आ गया अपने दोस्तों के पास। उसी दौरान में मेरी मिसिस का फ़ोन आया कि भाई मिवांस को सिग्नेचर हॉस्पिटल में लेके गए। मैं तो ये कहूँगा कि स्टाफ की लापरवाही है। जो गार्ड 4, जैसे मेरे को बाद में पता चला कि यहाँ 4 गार्ड नियुक्त हैं और चारों गार्डों में से एक भी नहीं है। अगर एक भी होता तो हमारा बच्चा बच जाता है। उसकी दादी के दिमाग में आया कहीं मिवांस नहाने के लिए तो नहीं आ गया बाई चांस, तो उसने वैसे देखना चाहा, वो देखा तो वो मिवांस वहीं था, 1.5 फुट के उसमें नहा रहा था। और उसने कहा कि मिवांस चलो घर पे चलते हैं। मिवांस ने कहा कि भाई मैं तो दादी जी अभी आया हूँ, 1-2 मिनट पहले, मैं 2-4 मिनट और नहाऊंगा फिर। और उसकी दादी जी वो पहले जब नहाते थे तो ना उसको ईचिंग हो जाती थी। ईचिंग होने के कारण उसकी दादी जी उससे सिर्फ ये कहा मैं 1 मिनट में आती हूँ बेटे और मैं आपके लिए वो तेल लेके आती हूँ, खोपे का तेल लेके आती हूँ। और इसी दौरान में हमारी पुत्र वधू, जैसे ही उन्होंने नीचे उतरना था, पुत्र वधू घर पे आई और वो आकी मम्मा वो मिवांस कहाँ है। तो उनको जैसे ही कहीं ना कहीं पता चल गया होगा, उनका फ़ोन मेरे पास आया कि मिवांस उसमें सिग्नेचर हॉस्पिटल में लेके गए हैं 2 व्यक्ति।
Now, the Residents Welfare Association, or the RWA, has criticized the BPTP Society for its poor maintenance and lack of professionalism. They've cited multiple incidents that highlight ongoing safety issues there. And according to the RWA, there have been inadequate lighting in the swimming pool, and it lacked essential safety certifications as well, including an occupational certificate. So those are some of the lapses being cited by the RWA in this particular case. And of course, the police have taken cognizance of this as well. Let me go across to Isha, who will get us some more details now about what exactly happened in the investigations that are currently being conducted. Isha, you spoke to the family members. Tell us about the police and the investigation so far, what they have revealed about the exact circumstances in which this 5-year-old child passed away.
Right, so that's an extremely sad incident that this 5-year-old child died by accidental drowning. In fact, while speaking to the RWA, they told us that an occupational certificate is needed in societies to run clubs and swimming pools, and that is what was lacking. So the RWA has put the blame on the BPTP builders. In fact, they've also alleged that these builders would not pay their staff on time, and that is particularly why the staff was also behaving in an irresponsible fashion. But again, there is a lot of blame game that is happening about who at fault was. But the police at the moment has arrested 2 of the lifeguards who were supposed to, who should have been there and who should have saved the child. But also that while we were there, we saw that the distance between the 2 pools was close to 100 meters. So the 5-year-old child actually covered that distance, and it's very strange that nobody saw him, nobody stopped him. In fact, even when the depth of the pool he would have gone to, there were at least 4 or 5 steps that he had to cross. So again, there was this again nobody saw him for multiple minutes at a stretch. He was not seen. And a 5-year-old child in an adult pool, that is something that even the residents should have noticed and should have made noise about. But again, nothing happened. 2 arrests have been made so far, and the RWA has been going to the police stating and complaining about this particular society and stating their inadequacies. 2 arrests have been made and more investigation is currently underway. The pool, in fact, that we reported from has been shut down for the residents of the society, and in the coming few days more arrests are expected.
Isha, as far as the investigations are concerned, where were the lifeguards at the time that this boy drowned?
So Siddharth, there was the distance between the seat of the lifeguard and where the boy drowned was only about 4 to 5 steps. 5 mere steps is what the distance between the lifeguard's seat and the child and the place where the child drowned. So while speaking to the grandfather of the child, he did state that the lifeguards were not present at the moment. In fact, we did see in the CCTV visuals that if they were even afar, they were busy in their phones, they were chatting, they did not pay attention. So the lifeguard seats were vacant is what the grandfather of the deceased has alleged, that they were not there on the spot and hence the drowning took place. So again, the lifeguards were not present, and even if they were at a far position, they were not at the position that they were supposed to be. They were at a farther position, and that too they weren't paying any attention to what was taking place in the pool.
All right, Isha, thanks a lot for that update. It's a tragic development that's taken place in Gurugram. We'll see how the investigations now proceed in this particular matter.